Hi guys, welcome to the my 3.1 string formatting class. This class is part of the strings, like subtopic of the strings. We already done with the string methods and all the methods, which is we have still more, but just I showed you like most useful string methods. Now we are talking about string formatting. So it means like format specifiers, which is we have alignment, like right alignment. I mean, we are talking about paddings into the our output, how we can do that with the fstring method and to use our string formatting methods. Let's get started. So let's say we have a list of movies, okay? And in this list, so we will continue like that. Let's say first item is the number of the desk of number of the movie. It is one, and let's say the name of the movie is, I don't know, like let's say Joker maybe. Yeah. And then we can say the time for this movie is, let's say the short movie, like 4 minute and 23 second, like that. Okay, this is our first movie, and the movie name is Joker, and length of the movie is 4:23. Let's come for the second one. How we do that? We can't do it like that. We need to do one more thing. If we are working on the string, we need to do one more thing in here. We need to add into list a tuple method. I will tell you all about it in the future. Okay, for now, just you need to know we doing like that. Why we doing that? Because we are working with string methods, which is f string working for about tuples in the string things. Like for example, let's say this is something like that, and we have something else in it. It's just works about strings, okay, like with the quotations or with the tuples, not for the list or even dictionary in somewhere. So this is our first part. Let's do same thing for the second part. I don't want to write more about it. Let's do same thing. It is our second movie, and the name of the movie, you can say Black Mirror, maybe Siri, like that, Black Mirror. All right, just it can be like 5:15, like that. Let's do something different. All right, let's do the last one. It must be like, let's say, third one, and it should be the walking death. Let's say the death, walking death. Okay, and it should be 2 and like 12 minutes, something like that. Okay. So yes, we already done all of them. Now we need to use in here four loops to just iterate these items into the output. But as I mentioned before, don't focus on the for loop or even for the list or for the tuples. Just focus on the string formatting methods, okay? How we making them into task, like step by step, putting in output. Just I want to show you about format specifiers, okay? Alignment and padding and this kind of stuff. So we can say for n, n means is number of the movie, like the desk of the movie. It is one, the first, it is second, it is third. So it will, the number will iterate each of this item there, okay? Like in steps, like step by step, it will iterate it into the our output. Let's continue with another one. This is for numbers. The second one will be about title. As you know, we have here titles, which is Joker, and we have what? We have also Black Mirror, right? This is second title, and we have The Walking Dead. This is our third title. It will iterate our titles into the loop, okay? Let's continue. The third one will be length. As you know, we have here what? Length. right? Where is that? Length is here, 423 and 515 and 212, right? It will iterate the length of the movie. So yes, everything done. Now we will say in movies. In where? In movies. Into that. So it will check the list for the iteration, and after that it will look for the tuples because we already separated with the our comma, right? Commas. Okay, and after that we just saying like everything done. Let's put that up to up, and we can now say print like that. Print. Open that. Use F. Why we using F in here? Let me do it a little closer. F. F means we will work with the formatting, right? F string formatting method, right? We opening our quotation to work with the formatting, right? Okay. So now what we should do in here. So first we will say open this like fancy brackets, which means dictionaries, because we will tag all the items into the our list. 1 minute, yeah. For all of them, we will just tag these guys from tuple to put into the our dictionary. I mean, okay, not focus on it. I mean, it is just something confusing, but okay, just try to understand concept about F string, F formatting. Okay, all right. I hope you got it. String formatting method. Okay, so now we can say N. What is N? N is numbers, right? Like first, second, and third movie. It is just iterating this three movie into that. Okay. Then we're putting something more, putting like that up to up like that, and we just saying 02. What it means? 02 means it will add one value, like 10 more, like the floating number, like a floating number, one more next to before the number of the movie. I mean, it is our first movie, right? In here first, and the other one is second, so the third one is the third. So normally they are looking like 1 2 3 like that, right? When we do that like that, it will just put a zero before the movie. Why we set two? Because it is just for two value. I mean, if you say 01, if you say 02, if you say 03, yeah, output will look like that. It means we have two values and zero will be the first value it will add there. If we add here like something more, we can see there more, like more numbers, okay? If you say three and something will be different. So it is the way how we work with it, okay? It's just adding there zero before the number, before the our numbers in here, right? This one. Before that, it's adding there zeros, right? If you make it like three, it will add there three times zero, like that, like that. Okay? Let's come back to the here. Okay, this is the first one, and let's put between them nothing exactly. Let's open another one. Let's work with the title now. It will iterate title. So what is our title? Joker, Black Mirror, and the Walking Dead. What we want to do for that, we just sang to like that up to up. We just sang bam, like greater than operator, like that. What it means, greater than. It will make something else, but before that, we need to count the strings into that. Like how many strings we have there. How we can do that? What do you think? Do you think like we can iterate it out? Let's say we have a string in here, right? Let's take it from there and come back to the here, close that, and close this guys too. You remember how to count the strings, right? We can use two methods. For example, we can say like that, and we can say count, sorry, first add our string, then we can say count, right? Let's say count, and let's run it and see what will happen, what it's saying. Tutorial and blah, blah, blah. Okay, something wrong in here. Close that to run it. What it's saying, the walking that counts text at least. Oh, sorry, not count. I just mixed up. We are not looking some of the value into that, like to count it. We need to say len. Len means is length of this walking path in here. Let's put it in here and tag it out. This one too. Where is this print in here? Yeah, we need one more in this case. Yeah, run it. Yeah, 17. As you see, the best longer value is the for the movie is 17, right? Okay, so we know it is 17. We can close that and we can open this, guys. Now we can say it is totally 17, right? Anyway, close this too. Now let's continue with another one. I mean, before that, I can tell you about it. It's just saying tag all this value. I mean, let's say we have these values there. I will show you in the detail. Yeah, like that. And the joker here. And we have numbers like that. Second one and the third one. It will take this value the right side. I mean, the name of the movies will be in the right side. It will look like that. Okay? It means like this one, like dot up to up and greater than operator. Text like for the 17, it is maximum value for the Walking Death. It is the best longer one than Black Mirror and Joker. So it's just tagging title 17 length, 17 character length from the numbers. Okay? It means that. I hope you understand. Okay, let's close that. Let's continue in here. So then we can say the third one, it will be about what? Length, right? We can say length. For the length, what we should do? What do you think? So should we do something else? Not exactly for now. Okay. We can just display out like what will happen. Let's see the first result. Let's run it and see the result. Okay. As you can see, this is our, maybe you can see if I do it little closer. Yeah. In here, as you see what we have, by the way, yeah, let's come here. This is first movie, and Joker is the 17 character length from the first the zero one from here. It is total 17 character, right? 17. And let's come here. It is not 17. As you understand something wrong, it is not 17. So it is something else. Let's make 70 minus 5 because Joker is 5 character. It will be 12, right? We have 12 character here, but we are looking for complement. And here, if you check, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 3 character. Let's think like that. And it is total 17, the Walking Dead, because the best longer one is that one, right? Okay, then we have length, we have 5.5 like this one and this one. So what if I say 3 as I mentioned you before? When you run that, as you see, it adds there two, like one more zero. If you make it 5, what will happen? Let's look at that. It will make 5, right? What if I say it is, for example, sorry, not that one. This one is 30. What will happen? it takes 30 character far from the this one, right? 30 character far. And this one is same, but just think like each of the case you can make minus and you can see the result in here like between this interval. It is something we can work like that, okay? Each time if you run that it will go right all the way like that and all the way same. What if we do it the other side like that, less than operator, and say again it is 17, run that and see. It is now closer to our number, right? By the way, change it. It is not. It not doesn't look like it. Yeah, it is 0 1. Like first movie, Joker is now from the left side. We just removed padding, or we just made it like less than, which is the left side, left hand side, right? Now it is not right side. So if we do it right, it will go right side, like here, right? If you do it left, it will go left side. Titles will go left side. As you see, it works like that. What if I want to get it to center? How we can do that? Let's find a character for that. By the way, I think it's um in my keyboard it's a little crazy, by the way. Just give me time to fix it. Where is that? Where are you? All right, this one. I'm sorry to take your time. This may be 5 or 6, I'm not sure. Okay, so when you run that, it will be in center. As you see, it is now in center, right? It looks amazing. So let's do it 50. Maybe it will look like better. Yeah, can you see that? That's look like good, right? Like that. And if you make it 20, look, it will look like that. Perfect. We can use less, greater, and the centralized method to just alignment for the like arrange our string formatting method, right? Like string formatting styles. Okay, that's the way how we works with our list into the list with the tuples to just to output good things from our list. So one more thing, let's say you want to do something different. I mean, you want to add a dot between all these values. I mean, between joker, between the this length. You want to add their dot. How we can do that? What do you think? We can just add here dot. When you do that, it will automatically add here. It is, by the way, default. It will add in here dots, like all the way like that. Okay? It will look like that. Let's run and see. Nothing changed. Why? Let's think about that. Why it gives you that value? I mean, why it's doing that? Think about it. So as you see, we have dot here, but we didn't add anything like that. When you run that, yes. Now our titles is the left side, and our dots is moving this titles following this step and going to the length, right? If you do that, the right side, now the title will go the this side and the dot will go to this side. Run that. As you see, it is another case. So what if I centralize it with the method? I mean, this one, where is it? Yeah, here. Sorry, by the way, it will be the right side, not here. Yeah, maybe not here. I'm not sure. Yeah. It's here. Now, as you can see, it is into the center and the dots is manually just added here, right? Sorry, not manually, automatically here. It is default. It's just following it, right? That's all. And one more thing. Let's say you want to add for the length of the movie. I mean, it is 4, 23, and 5. 15, and something else. Let's say you want to add their 0. How you can do that? You can say length, then this, and then let's say 0, 5, like that. Run that. Did you see that? Now we have 0 before that, right? Why we set 0 is greater than 5 like that? Because we have here 0 and we have 5 value, right? Like 1, 2, like 1, this one 1, this one 2, this one 3, and this one 4. 3 is the fourth one. And we're saying 0 will be the first value, and let's follow it with the 5 value, like in total. It's just putting there. So if I say the left, what will happen? Look, 0 is the another side, right? What if you say like 6? Let's try. Now we have 2 more, right? Because we sang add there 2 0 for the complement. Because we have 6 value in total, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you say 10, it will just count it like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then let's think this is the just 4 value. It will add there 4 zeros. Let me prove you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the remainder 4 right there. Yes? You can do same thing for here too. As you can see, you can say 10, and it will be like what? Sorry, just maybe like that. You can say 09. Yeah, it can be something like that. Or even you can say 06 to just make it like 6 times. Okay, that's the way how we work with it. Okay, I hope you understand how we work with this, guys. Let's say 5 because we have complement 5. That's the way how we working with our string formatting way. Okay, that's all. So I hope you understand everything. If you understand, I'm so happy. So this is the um, like last topic is the for the strings. Another class will be about lists. So we already done string in general, strings general, and the string methods already done with the 10 topics maybe there, or 11, I'm not sure, 12 maybe, with the string methods names like case fault and others. This one was the like last one, which is in the strings, and it is 3.1 class, which is format specifiers and the string formatting lesson. We already done. It's done. You can practice with it. You can add many more movies, and you can add many more lengths and blah blah blah. Anyway, you can just do it, and you can work with these guys to arrange them like that. It will help you in the future for your projects. See you in another topic, which is list in lists. Okay? Yeah, I'm going there and waiting you in another class. Thank you for watching to me. See you in another class. Thank you.